Welcome to this episode of ACG's GrowthTV. I'm Katie Mulligan, and I'm joined today by the co-founders of GF Data, Andy Greenberg and Graeme Frazier. They are joining me today to talk about ACG's recent acquisition of their company, GF Data. So Andy, I'll go to you first. Talk about why this was an attractive partnership for you and what this means for the future of GF Data's business.
Thanks, Katie. I think it means great things for the future of GF Data. The common thread through ACG and GF Data is a commitment to relationships in the middle market. We were a data provider, but we always saw ourselves as relating to our contributors or users based on our affinity with one another in a small world. And that's always been the way that ACG has operated. So, we thought that it would be a good fit, and so far it seems like it will be.
And Graeme, I want to go to you next. Give us a sense of the type of data and analysis that's available through GF Data.
Okay, so while GF Data is a proprietary data set of transaction data for deals that have been completed in the $10 to $500 million enterprise value range, and the company currently publishes a merger and acquisition M&A report, which is valuation multiples, a leverage report, which includes debt data as well as debt multiples, pricing, capital structure dynamics, and other things relative to the leverage markets, and a key deal terms report, which is mostly legal terms on deals, indemnification caps, basket, escrow amount, duration, etc., along with additional drill down reports by industry and a searchable online utility. What you see is a proprietary data set that is sourced from over 250 private equity sponsors in a very highly protocol-oriented way.
And Andy, are there any key themes or trends that you're really watching closely within the data these days?
Well, I think as we get into the middle months of 2022, there is an old theme and a newer theme. The older theme is the continuing division in the market between more attractive, highly valued businesses and less attractive, out of favor, more modestly valued companies. That's nothing new. We continue to see it in the data. I think that the new theme is that everybody is interested in the impact on the M&A market of all of these unprecedented economic and social events in the world at large. And so far it's shaping up as a pretty good year, maybe not as great guns as last year, but we'll be watching closely to see whether that continues as the year develops.
And Graeme, I'll end with you. What's the best way for ACG members to access the data and insights that GF Data provides?
Well, the best way to access the data is to get in touch with Bob Wegbright, who is the Executive Director of GF Data today, and Bob Dunn, who is the Managing Director of GF Data today, and send an inquiry, and they can set you up in the demo session, and you can see the entire product suite, and also get a taste of some of the new things that ACG hopes to do with the data set.
We'll include some of those links and contact information in the description as well. Thank you both so much for joining me.
No problem, thanks.
Thank you, Katie. Good to be here.
For GrowthTV, I'm Katie Mulligan. Thanks for watching.